Hey guys, so I should have started making this like 10 days ago, but I got lazy with the side of busy, so here we are. I am 17 days out from moving into college in Boston, which is really crazy because I haven't even processed the fact that it's August yet. Since it is getting so close to move in, I wanted to just document my last few weeks at home, and also I will be vlogging my moving in itself. And since I'm going skating soon, I figured the first place I'd show you guys would be my home rink, which I've skated at for almost 7 years now. And it just opened up again last month, so I've been skating there a lot more. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready. So I didn't get to film a lot on this day, but here's me at the rink. I went on a day when not a lot of my friends were there either, and this spin is by far not the best, but my skating did get really bad after quarantine started. I just filmed the spin to see how it looked. So as you guys know, I work at a bubble tea shop, and I've worked there for almost 2 years. I actually just had to send in my 2 week notice last night, so that was like really sad for me. But last night while I was closing, I made myself a honey green tea, and now I'm gonna go up to my room and show you guys some stuff that I bought yesterday at Target for my dorm. So here we have all of the stuff that I got yesterday: a hair dryer, hand vacuum, mattress pad, and a fan. Alright, so I just plugged in my fan. I'm giving it a test run, and it actually feels really powerful on the highest one. So I think this will be really good for my dorm, especially when it gets really hot. Okay, I'm learning this needs to be charged, so I'm gonna charge it, and here's what it looks like. I'm just gonna let that sit there, and the light's supposed to go out when it's fully charged, and then I can test run it. So I'm bringing two luggages with me for travel. This one is my own, and then I'm getting another one. It is Wednesday, my dudes. I still haven't started packing, which is like really bad. All I've done is dig my luggage out of my closet. But I also want to show you guys something that I've been working on my laptop. So my roommate and I are doing a blue theme for our room, and I was inspired by prints like these that I saw on Dormify to create my own prints. And these are two of them that I've made so far, and I think they're really cute. So I'm gonna get them printed on Walgreens and delivered to my home so that I have like a high quality print. Alright, so it's currently raining here. It was thundering kind of a lot earlier, but it's not super dark, which is like basically how the weather is in my hometown. Anyway, I just got back from skating again, and I'm taking my hair out. So I'm actually really exhausted. I didn't sleep a lot last night because we've had people come repair the outside of our house, and I keep getting woken up by them hammering and drilling and all that. But I need to pack, so I don't have time for a nap right now. So the other thing actually is that I got myself an iPad Pro for taking notes because I heard a lot of people like to take digital notes, and it sounds like something I want to do. So this is the case. The iPad itself hasn't come yet. I also have my pencil. The good news is that my iPad will be coming on time before I leave. And it also came with free AirPods, which my brother got because of the education price. Hey guys, so this is me at work. I finally get to show you my bubble tea shop. It's super cute and pretty, and I've held it near and dear to my heart basically since I started working here. My coworkers are like some of my best friends now, and this is just a really great environment for me. It's become like a sanctuary. I am so tired. I got like maybe 7 hours, 7.5 hours of sleep last night, and you can see it in my eye bags. I have to pack, and then I have a closing shift starting this afternoon. So here I am just digging my clothes out of my drawer and my closet. And I actually ended up switching luggages because this one was too small for clothes, and I put these clothes in a bigger one. And then in my small luggage, I just stored things for my desk and other personal items. And here's me getting ready for work. So because I still had long hair at this time, I had to put them in Dutch braids basically every single time because there was no other style that looked good with my face shape. And then I grabbed my keys, my boba shoes, which I don't always wear to work, but I just got them and I really love them. And then I drive to work. It's literally 5 minutes from my home, which is super convenient. And here I am getting out of my car, going in. This is Rachel, who is basically one of my best friends here, and we've had a lot of fun working together. And here I am with my boba shoes, just vibing. I made myself a drink. My favorite one is our matcha green milk tea with boba, of course. Hey guys, so I'm actually about to go get my hair cut. It's like super long. I've grown this out for literally 2 years now, and I'm also gonna get it re-highlighted. This is gonna take like literally 4 hours, so I'll see you guys after I'm done. So this is after a part of my hair was already cut off, and it feels super light already because my hair had grown to be so heavy. And I don't remember which part of the process this was, but here I am drying it. I can finally make high ponytails again. I'm really happy because now they won't like drag themselves down. So here's the final result of my haircut and my highlights that I redid. You can kind of see like in the front here the lighter color. I'm really happy with it. I actually used the same color as last time, but I didn't do the balayage. Instead, I did like streaks, you can kind of see here. Hey guys, I leave in 5 days and it has not hit me, and I have packed like 5 to 10% of my stuff. I'm literally just gonna look around and see what I find that I can pack, so. And the other thing is that tomorrow is my last day of work, and it hasn't really processed in me yet either, but I think once I am actually gone, I'm gonna be really upset about it. I'll vlog a little bit there tomorrow. So this is me closing up on my last shift, and you can see the lights are off. We're basically almost done with closing, and here's Rachel finishing up, counting some cash. Hello. And that was all the footage that I got from this day, basically. It wasn't super busy. And there's also this video that Rachel took of me, and I got pictures with the flower wall. So that was the end of my shifts here. So now I'm here at the rink again. This is probably my second to last day, I think it was. And I just filmed another spin. I'm really glad that I don't have to braid my hair anymore to go skating every time, because it used to take me like 20 minutes to do. And yeah, you can tell that I lost a lot of flexibility over quarantine. My knee is like super bent. But anyway, I'm trying to get that back now. I'm almost finished packing. I have done one luggage of clothes, and then I have a bunch of miscellaneous things like my room decor, like this thing. Also, my iPad Pro came in. I've been playing around with it a lot. Here it is. I downloaded all my important apps. Yeah, those are the guys banging on my house. I apologize. And then I downloaded GoodNotes and Procreate. Hey guys, so we are on the road today, and we stopped at a Panera in New York, so we just bought a bunch of food for lunch, and we're gonna continue driving. So as you can see here, we have basically packed our car to the max with luggages and backpacks. There is not even space under my legs, like that's my comforter, and then these bags are just taking up all the room. So that's what I had to deal with for several hours, but then we made it to the hotel by the afternoon, and it was really pretty because we got a room with a deck with a view of Boston. And yeah, so we stayed there for a couple nights, and then I moved in. Hey you guys, it's about 7:45 on move-in day, and we've got a whole cart. We are full to the brim in this car, but here we go. And then he gets the whole back seat to himself. So upon check-in, they gave us a huge laundry cart and also that red t-shirt you can see on top. Here is all my stuff piled up, and then this is my dorm, completely empty, and that's my closet over there. The other side is my roommate's side, and she's coming later. And then this is my bed after I set it up. It looks super cute. By the way, my comforter is from Dormify. And here you can see my desk. It has 2 shelves, one at the wall and one on the bulletin board. Hey guys, so I basically am almost finished moving in. Here's a bunch of my stuff, and I'm gonna unpack all this later. They gave us a huge fan, which is really nice, and it actually, since we don't have AC, this actually is pretty cool. I also brought my own fan that I'm probably gonna put by my desk. And yeah, so there's the closet, and then the dresser, the bed. I really like the way I set up my bed. I'm gonna have wall decor, obviously, and then my desk is there. So here's my desk right now. It's got a bunch of stuff that I recently bought, so I'm just gonna load it all into the drawer. By the way, I'm really happy that I saw Mildliners at Target. I've been wanting these forever. All right, so this is the top drawer just got all my school supplies right now. And the second drawer just has some zip bags and plastic utensils. We'll see what else I end up putting inside. And now I have to unpack all my clothes. So after I finished moving in, I got a Starbucks downstairs. That was me in front of the dorm, and now I'm going up the escalator. So basically, the first 3 floors of this dorm are garages, which is why you take the escalator up to the lobby and then you take them to your dorm. Hey guys, so this is our final dorm. Really like it, especially with the lights on. It just looks really homey, and I just scattered some extra photos there to fill up some space. That's my Jacob Collier Jessie Volume 3 poster. If you guys don't listen to him, please check him out. So that's basically it, and I hope I can vlog more for you guys when I'm in Boston again and when the pandemic is close to over. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.